Hello Dnation and welcome back to the Hot Wheels Unbox and Review series. In today's episode, we are going to be unboxing a set of 5 1/64th scale yellow themed cars which are manufactured by Hot Wheels. And these are the 5 premium diecast cars that piqued my interest and I grouped them together for today's episode. So stay tuned with me on this one and let's get this started. Well, let's begin by taking a look at the packaging. These Hot Wheels diecast cars come in a signature Hot Wheels cardbox blister packaging with all the product branding and information. So let's go ahead and take a look at the packaging before we set these little beauties free. So with that out of the way, and as we get these open, please be careful while using sharp objects and keep in mind to keep these diecast collectibles away from children below the age of 5 as the tiny parts can be hazardous. So keeping this in mind, let's get these opened. Well, at first glance, these diecast cars look quite premium and have a good build quality to them, and also have quite a bit of detailing to them as well. And these models are manufactured mostly of diecast and a few components made of ABS plastic which make them premium looking. These models have a beautiful build quality and they measure in at 2.5 inches in length, 1 inch in height, 1 inch in width and weigh in at about 90 grams on average depending on the model. And these models also come with spot on paint apps according to their amazing color scheme and branding details, and have free rolling wheels and a lot more which make them functional and a premium collectible. So as you can see, these are the 5 different yellow themed diecast cars that I grouped together for today's episode. And so with that being said, let's quickly run through the model names of these premium Hot Wheel cars. And let's begin with the Fair Lady 2000, which is from the Nightburner series. Well, this one was hard to get my hands on and I'm glad I finally got this variant, and I really love the bodywork, the custom yellow paint job and the signature number 2 decals on this one. Overall a beautiful diecast and definitely a stunner. Next up we have the Surf and Turf, which is from the Tuned series, and as you can see, this is a tuned muscle car variant of this model with some stunning graphics and decals. And my favorite feature on this car is the blowout engine, an absolute stunner and overall an awesome diecast replica. Next up is the 49 Volkswagen Beetle pickup, which is from the Rod Squad series, and this is a classic pickup truck that stands out with its custom yellow paint job with its unique moon eyes decals. And off the bat, I love this variant as it stands out from the rest. A real elegant, amazing and stunning replica. And what we're looking at now is the Volkswagen, which is from the Tune series, and this is a beautiful diecast variant, and a rear blowout engine makes this ride stand out, and the custom yellow paint job with its unique wood panel doors make this replica even more amazing, and I'm glad that I got this variant for my collection. Overall an amazing diecast replica. And finally we have the Road Bandit, which is from the Hot Wheels Metro series. Well, this one was hard to get my hands on and I'm glad I did, as I really love the bodywork, the custom paint, decals and the front blowout engine on this one. Overall an amazing bus and a beautiful replica. Well, as I mentioned earlier, I'm a big fan of Hot Wheel cars and I decided to go with this theme for this Hot Wheels episode. And this is just one of the 12 episodes in this Hot Wheels series, so stay tuned and check out some amazing, unique and premium diecast cars by Hot Wheels. And so with that being said, let's take a closer look and check out the bodywork and the functionality of these amazing diecast replicas, and kindly find further features and specifications regarding these diecast beauties in the description below. Well, everything seems to be spot on and up to my expectations with all these Hot Wheels diecast models. And so with that being said, let's place these diecast cars on the Dnation turntable and take a look at these beauties in a 360-degree view. And here are a few fun facts. Hot Wheels is a brand of diecast toys which was introduced by American toy maker Mattel in 1968. It was a primary competitor of Matchbox until 1997 when Mattel bought Tyco Toys, then owner of Matchbox. Many automobile manufacturers have since licensed Hot Wheels to make their scale models of their cars, allowing the use of original design blueprints and detailing. Although Hot Wheels were originally intended for children and young adults, they have become popular with the adult collectors nowadays, for whom limited edition models are now being made available. And every now and then Hot Wheels comes out with a special edition collector's series as well. And for its 40th anniversary in 2008, Hot Wheels celebrated the making of their 4 billionth car with the production of a diamond-studded model worth $140,000. It had 2,700 diamond chips, a total of almost 23 carats, and was cast in white gold with rubies serving as taillights. And for further information on Hot Wheels, kindly check the link in the description below. And if you want to get yourself or your loved ones any one of these Hot Wheels cars that were featured in today's video, I dropped the Best Buy links in the description below. So go check it out and get yourself one if you're interested. And also please do let me know in the comments below as to which one of these Hot Wheels cars are your favorite. And I would like to take this opportunity to thank all my Dnation subscribers and followers for your constant support and feedback. And I just wanted you to know that all this is possible only because of the encouragement and the support I get from you. So please continue to support Dnation by subscribing if you haven't already, and also by liking and sharing our videos. And please do check out the rest of the Hot Wheels episodes in the playlist below. And this brings us to the end of this amazing unbox and review episode, and I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed making it for you. And if you guys enjoyed this video, give it a massive thumbs up and share it, and don't forget to smash that subscribe button if this is your first time here. And also don't forget to click that bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming episodes. And if you care to share your views and thoughts on this episode, please do drop your comments below, and stay tuned for a lot more exciting episodes on Hot Wheels diecast cars coming up. Well, thank you for watching. Take care, and I'll see you on the next one.